YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy app not sending the notification. So guys, to fix this issue you just follow this video. So guys, first of all you fix in-app notification settings. So guys, you open the Birdfy app, then go to the setting movements notification and ensure that never is selected or remove any active filter under the don't disturb. Okay, second thing is guys, smartphone notification permission. So if you are a iOS user, simply go to the setting notification Birdfy and ensure all the notification is enabled and turn on alerts for lock screen notification center and the banner. For Android user, go to the setting apps verify, make sure notification are allowed and banner sound and vibration are enabled. Okay, third thing is guys, disable battery saver and the optimization. So power saving modes restrict the background activity which prevent the app from pushing alert. So go to the setting battery and turn off the low power mode. If you are an Android user, so swipe up from the bottom of the screen and simply go to the quick panel. Swipe down and quick setting panel and disable the battery saver. Additionally, exempt the Birdfy app from the background battery and optimize in your phone app settings. Then guys, network and Bluetooth connection. Ensure both your Birdfy feeder and your smartphone have the strong and stable internet connection. So you confirm that the feeder is especially connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network as 5 GHz generally not supported for these devices. And guys, you also reinstall the app. So guys, you delete your Birdfy app from your phone, reboot your device and reinstall it from the App Store or the Play Store. This refresh the cache and re-stabilize the notification handset. So guys, thank you.